It's Dayton here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a funny noise with your mouth. And you guessed it, today I have a Christmas tree.
Shoppers.
Yay! We have a
Shoppers.
Christmas tree. Oh, I'm sorry. And all you have to do to do this, like basically you just say girl, 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 and you just go like. So you just go like this, and then make a little tiny hole like that, and then go. So, and don't go like girl, 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 girl. So because that's not gonna sound right. All I have to do is say girl to make your voice change. And I just wanted to let you know I just tried this and it worked. And I hope you have a good time, guys. Bye.